Assalamualaikum. Today I want to present about our case study which is zoonotic disease management in poultry farm, a case of avian influenza. So I will introduce myself and my teammates. My name is Poultry Fairisha. This is Damia Shafika, Nur Fazana, Aina Batrisha and Alia Natasha. I will present about avian influenza. Avian influenza, also known as avian flu or bird flu, is a disease caused by the influenza A virus, which primarily affects birds but can sometimes affect mammals including humans. One of the earliest recorded cases of highly pathogenic avian influenza was in Italy in 1878, where a deadly outbreak affected poultry. However, some strains of bird flu can cause symptoms similar to severe human flu, which is fever, cough, tiredness, and headache. That's all for me.
Now I will present my part, which is the case of study analysis. The main issue for the avian influenza is environmental conditions such as climate change. Changes in climate affect the migration of birds, and then the affected birds may spread the virus in new places. Then management practices. Too much use of chemical by farmers will kill and destroy the germs of microorganisms that create diseases. Other than that, follicle chicken meat or eggs also distribute this disease easily. This is because avian influenza can survive for quite a long period of time. Lastly, the impact on crop science and animal health. Avian influenza may affect the biodiversity in the ecosystem. This virus will affect the interaction between animal and plants. Avian influenza also affect animal health. This disease may increase the death rate of animals and animal population will decrease. That's all for me.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Damia. I will be explaining about solution proposal. So my first point is stamping out. Stamping out is defined in the OIE Terrestrial Animal Health Code as the killing of animals which are affected and those suspect of being affected in the herd, and where appropriate, those in other herds which have been exposed to infection by direct animal to animal contact or by indirect contact. So my next point is vaccination. We all know that vaccination is to increase our immunity in our body. So, poultry vaccination against avian influenza can improve their resistance to infection, shield them from clinical illness, and lessen their virus shedding in the event that they contract the disease. So, that's all from me. Thank you.
Now I'm going to present about research finding. Firstly, vaccination have 3 types of vaccine for poultry like chicken, duck and turkey, which is homologous activated vaccine, heterologous inactivated vaccine, and RFPV-H5 to prevent the poultry from infected with H5N1 or H5N2 virus. Vaccinated birds are less likely to become infected, and if they do, the infection is usually less severe. Secondly, stamping out is the culling of animal by following the Terrestrial Animal Health Code, because the failure to protect your birds in poultry to prevent the disease from spreading and causes more outbreak.
In conclusion, the complex nature of avian influenza in poultry requires continuous monitoring, implementation of preventive measures, and further research into species-specific responses. Control strategies should include vaccination programs, biosecurity measures, routine surveillance in both domestic and wild birds, and monitoring of viral evolutionary patterns. Furthermore, understanding the roles of synanthropic species like sparrows and crows in virus transmission and investigating potential human transmission events are crucial for comprehensive avian influenza management in poultry populations. That's all from us. Thank you. Bye.